Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Lexus ES. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include Premium Plus package, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and premium audio.